Soil health is a crucial aspect of successful homesteading. Soil is the foundation of any homestead, and it directly impacts the health and yield of plants, the health of animals, and the overall success of the homestead. In this essay, we will explore the different ways to manage soil health in a homestead. Number 1. Soil testing. Soil testing is the first step in managing soil health. Soil tests determine the nutrient content, pH level, and organic matter in the soil. This information helps homesteaders determine which nutrients are lacking in the soil and which ones are abundant. Soil tests also help homesteaders determine if the pH level is too high or too low for optimal plant growth. Once homesteaders know the nutrient content of their soil, they can adjust their management practices accordingly. Number 2. Crop rotation. Crop rotation is an essential aspect of soil health management. It involves changing the type of crops grown in a particular area of land every growing season. This practice helps prevent soil-borne diseases from building up in the soil and maintains optimal levels of nutrients. Different crops have different nutrient requirements, and rotating crops helps balance the nutrients in the soil. Crop rotation also helps prevent weed growth by interrupting weed life cycles. Number 3. Composting. Composting is an excellent way to maintain soil health. Composting is the process of breaking down organic matter, such as vegetable scraps, manure, and yard waste, into nutrient-rich soil amendments. Adding compost to soil helps improve soil structure and fertility. Composting also helps prevent soil erosion by increasing the soil's ability to absorb water. Number 4. Cover cropping. Cover cropping is another excellent way to manage soil health. Cover crops are planted to protect the soil from erosion, improve soil fertility, and increase soil organic matter. Cover crops also help prevent weed growth by shading out weed seeds. Some common cover crops include clover, rye, and buckwheat. Number 5. Mulching. Mulching is the process of adding a layer of organic material, such as straw or leaves, to the soil surface. Mulching helps regulate soil temperature, prevents soil erosion, and conserves moisture. Mulch also helps suppress weed growth by blocking light from reaching weed seeds. Number 6. Avoiding overtillage. Overtilling soil can be detrimental to soil health. Overtilling destroys the soil structure, which can lead to soil compaction, reduced water infiltration, and decreased air circulation. When soil is compacted, it is difficult for plant roots to penetrate the soil, which can lead to poor plant growth. Reducing tillage or using no-till farming methods helps maintain optimal soil structure and health. Number 7. Proper irrigation. Proper irrigation is essential for soil health. Overwatering or underwatering can damage soil health by leaching nutrients from the soil or causing soil compaction. Homesteaders should water their plants according to the plant's needs and the soil's moisture content. Proper irrigation helps maintain soil structure and promotes healthy plant growth. Number 8. Adding organic matter. Adding organic matter to soil is a great way to maintain soil health. Organic matter, such as compost or manure, improves soil structure, increases soil fertility, and promotes healthy plant growth. Adding organic matter also helps the soil retain moisture and prevent erosion. In conclusion, managing soil health is a crucial aspect of homesteading. Soil health directly impacts the success of the homestead by affecting plant growth and animal health. Homesteaders can manage soil health by soil testing, crop rotation, composting, cover cropping, mulching, avoiding overtillage, proper irrigation, and adding organic matter. By following these practices, homesteaders can maintain optimal soil health and achieve a successful homestead.